Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on halftones, and I realized that when you convert it, so if you didn't watch one, you might want to watch the first one. I realized when it does that, it puts a white background when you turn it into a bitmap. So here's just a text. So this will work a lot better. So I made the yellow box so we can see it. I'm going to move it out of the way for a second. And I thought you had to turn it to a bitmap to turn it all black. Because if you go to Effects and blur it, like we did in the first video, and blur it, just blur a little bit more and hit OK. And then when you go to Effects and go to Color Transformation, it kind of makes sense. And I've got it set on 0, 0, 0 and only on black. I think default was a little bit of color to it. So when I did it, if you look real close, there's some colors. So instead of turning it to a bitmap, just do it as a text, go up to Effects, blur it if you want it blurry, if you don't want the little dots perfectly, kind of like a halftone should be, I would think. And then go to Effects and Color Transform and Halftone. Make sure all your colors are set for 0, 0, 0, except for the black. And then when you do this, you only have black halftones. So then you go, and we'll nudge that back up, and we'll put the yellow box over there. Now you can see that there's no white background like on the original. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.